Hey y'all. So it's officially moving day. I'm about to start emptying this kitchen here and every other room, obviously. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update. So I'm feeling a little bit better since my last video. Stop it, Kiki. My shoulder feels better, but my throat, it got worse by the next day. I'm actually thinking I have strep, I don't know. But I've been taking medicine and all that fun stuff and just trying to get past it. It's like the worst time for me to get sick because I have so much to do, but it's gonna be okay. Anyways, I'm feeling a little bit sad because I know that I'm never gonna see this place again. And this was like our first apartment in Texas together. And yeah, it's like, this is the last day I'm gonna be in here. It's the last day I'm ever gonna see this place. And yeah, it's making me sad. But anyway, time to move on. I'm also pretty sad that this is the last time I'll ever see this gorgeous view, because it's like my favorite. I love seeing this every day, but yeah, it's the last time I'll ever see this. So pretty. It looks so bad in here right now, and I guess Cookie decided it was time to get in the cabinet. All right, Cookie, get down. Bad girl. So yeah, I'm just gonna start emptying every cabinet, every drawer, getting rid of garbage, and packing stuff away. I'm feeling like a little overwhelmed, but it's gonna be okay. I literally have got nothing done. I'm freezing and tired, but anyways, I wanted to show you guys something. Hey y'all, so welcome to our new apartment. I'm going to give you the full empty tour. So starting here is the front door, and when you walk in the front door, the first thing you have here is a coat closet, which we didn't have in our other apartment. When you come over this way, we have what is the dining room, but we're going to be using it for office space. And over here is where the washer and dryer goes. Over here is the living room. And this time we don't have glass sliding doors, but we have this nice little regular door. And this is our patio. And now I'm going to show you my favorite place in the whole apartment, my kitchen. Check it out. I have lots of cabinet space and lots of drawers. Cabinets on top and bottom. Over here we have the bathroom. My tub, shower, the sink, the toilet, little cabinets. Now come over this way. Out this door, we have our bedroom. This is my bedroom. And I love my window view. It's actually of our patio, which is really nice. And then this is our closet. let's go back into the living room. And one more thing I wanted to show y'all is I no longer have those black concrete floors. Now we have wood floors again, thank God. These cats are gonna be like, what the heck? Girl, what is this? It's your new place! Cookie, what is this? Oh, Kiki likes it. This is her new home. Kiki! Cookie, come on! Come on! Girl, what is this? Wow. They're already getting very familiar with it. Kiki, come in here. Come on. They love this. They're so excited. You're excited, huh? It's a new place. Wow.
It's a whole new place to live in.
So, I just finished cleaning this entire apartment and I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack, but yeah, so it's been a rough few days and it's almost over, but just wanted to do a quick little shot of my apartment again because I know this is the last time I'm gonna see it. So I might as well have some kind of memories. And I'm kind of making sure everything is good and taken care of. Everything's empty. It's bittersweet. It's always bittersweet. But yeah. So you'll never see this kitchen again. I'll never clean this kitchen again. Or the living room. Or my bedroom. So many memories in here. So many memories. This place looks so nice and clean. Oh gosh. Goodbye, little closet. Goodbye, everything. Alright, I guess I'm gonna end this video. Gotta turn in the keys and move on with my little life. So, goodbye, beautiful apartment. Hello to new memories and a new beginning. And goodbye, a really big pantry. Forgot about that one. I have one more thing to share before I end this video. Since all of you are asking where we're moving to and all that fun stuff, to be honest, we're just moving right up the hall. From that place to this one. Knock, knock. I'm home.